Now look at these two. They're different. This one's all red in the back. Look at it. Look how red that is. Very different. And the other one's just a regular bird. So different. Oops. Isn't that different? I wonder what kind of bird. It has to be a mixed breed, unless one's a female, one's a male, out of these two. And usually in that case the male be the colored one. I don't know. They kind of look like they are the same. I mean, as far as the black and white in them, except for that one's got red. Isn't that unique, huh? If you know something about this bird, go ahead, leave a comment. Awful pretty. It's almost like it's all dressed up classy, going to town. Isn't that nice? One's just watching my every move here, because I do want to get a picture of this. It's awful pretty. Isn't that different? Be nice if it would turn around so we could see the front. But you know, when birds are this close to the house and stuff, they do keep a lookout. Look at that. The whole head's red in the back like that. Wow. Very nice. They have to be male and female, because look at the wings. The wings are really both the same. Very nice birds. It's funny because this year I've seen some very different ones than what I normally see every year. Oh look, it's turning around. Oh, off they go.